Hi guys, welcome to Fun Times. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, turn on the bell so you never miss a Fun Times video. Today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a cat. First step, draw a circle. Then draw